So before people discharge from treatment, whether it's in residential PHP or IP, we meet with them roughly a week before they leave to discuss all of the alumni stuff and the activities that we do. And sometimes we do have people that just say, I'm not really interested in that. And my question to those people is always like, is the why? Right? Like, why do you not want to participate in these things? Oh, well, it sounds expensive. Okay, well, we pay for everything. Oh, well, it's not really my thing. And more often than not, we don't really know what we're interested into when we first get sober, right? Because so much of our lives have changed from what it used to be all about to something new. So I try to just encourage as much as I can to step out of our comfort zones and try out new things that may seem uncomfortable, that will lead towards something greater than you could ever imagine. We have so many people, and I always use examples of some of the people that I've worked with where they are on the fence about coming to a weekend trip, right? Where I don't really know any of these people, how am I gonna have fun? And I just say, look, like for me, it came to a point where I just had to have faith. And my faith was that these things worked for other people, and I didn't quite understand it or know how it worked, but I knew that it made a difference for them. So I bring up that example and I say, look at these people and like what's working for them in their lives. And every time that somebody stepped out of that comfort zone and tried it, they end up leaving those weekends with having friends that they never could have had the chance of having before, and the connections. So most of the time when we say, I don't really want to do that, or I'm not into that, or it's not really my thing, it comes from a fear thing. And we can break those walls down by just a conversation and just coming down to the point of being like, hey, just trust me. Just trust that you're going to enjoy this. If you absolutely hate it, you never have to do it again, right? And that's something we see with softball. It's a great example of that. People say all the time, like, I'm not athletic, I've never played, it's not fun, I don't want to be embarrassed, blah, blah, blah. And all of those things are just fear responses. So we have to break through that and just do those things that are uncomfortable. And I can almost guarantee that you're going to enjoy all of it,